Hello and welcome again to our first part of today's lessons. Today we'll be continuing with using sentence structures, again focusing on the vocabulary we will need to do our jigsaw sentences number 5. Like always, we need to start with the vocabulary. We need to know the words that we are using before we can understand on how to put the sentences together. Make sure you look at how teacher uses the words in sentences because that will be clues for how to complete your worksheet. Our first word is buys. Buys. When we buy something, we give people money and they give us stuff. It's as easy as that. We plus S to the end of the word to help us show that it is happening now. We can see in the picture, he buys a yellow light. Do you see how we add S to show it's happening now? He buys a yellow light. Let's practice saying the word out loud. Buys. Buys. Let's try it in a sentence. He buys a yellow light. Nice and easy. Let's go to the next one. Here's an easy one. I hope you remember it from when we were studying the long vowel A with the spelling A-Y. The word is tray. Tray. A tray is a thing we use to help us carry many things. The food is on the red tray. Easy enough, boys and girls. Let's practice saying it quickly so we can remember. Tray. Tray. Full sentence now. The food is on the red tray. Nice. Let's look at the next word. Next word I hope you remember as well. Seesaw. A seesaw is a long plank that's balanced in the middle, and on each end children sit and swing up and down. In our picture we can see two elephants playing on a seesaw. If we use it in a sentence, Bob and I play on the seesaw. Let's practice saying it. Seesaw. Seesaw. A little bit faster now. Seesaw. Good work. Let's keep going. The next word is snowman. It's the two words snow and man put together. A snowman is something we can make if we have snow. It is a man made from snow. That's why we call it a snowman. Maybe we can even make a snow dog if we learn how. But don't worry about that for now. Let's use it in a sentence. We can make a snowman. Let's practice it out loud. Let's start slowly. Snowman. Snowman. Let's try it a little bit faster now. Snowman. Snowman. Good practice, boys and girls. 2 more to go. Let's keep going. The next word we have is a little bit tricky. Listen for it. Made. Made. The word made is past tense for the word make. Past tense is what we use when we're talking about something that has already happened. It's finished and it's gone. The word make means to build or create something from nothing. So let's look at two examples. Today, I make a paper plane, just like in the picture. But yesterday, I made a paper plane. Okay, yesterday is gone, it's finished. So we change the word make to made. Practice saying it out loud. Made. Made. Let's try it in the sentence. Yesterday, I made a paper plane. Can you make a paper plane? But don't worry about that. Let's go look at the last word, and maybe if we have free time, I'll teach you how to make one later. The last word, I'm sure you've heard it by now. It is the word cute. It's a k-u-t sound. Cute. Cute. The word cute is a word that we use to describe how something looks. It is almost the same as the word pretty. In our sentence, I see a cute cat. Remember, the word cute is an adjective and we put it before the noun. Or we can say the cat is cute. I see a cute cat. And it helps us to learn a little bit more about the cat. Let's practice saying it out loud. Cute. Cute. Last time, boys and girls. Cute. That's it for our words for today. Alright, boys and girls, that brings us to the end of our first lesson for today. If you're still struggling with some of the words, please rewind the video, listen carefully, and practice saying the words until you get it right. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.